Hello everyone and welcome to another Java tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create random numbers in Java. First, I am creating a random object called R using the random class in the code. This results in an error because we have not yet imported the class random. You can do that either by Ctrl+Shift+I in NetBeans, or you can manually type the code import java.util.Random. Next step, we're going to have the lower limit and the upper limit for the random number that we're going to generate. For that reason, I am going to create two variables. Let's call them as low and high. I'm setting the low to 10 and I'm setting the high 100. Now I'm going to generate the random number. So that I'm going to store in a variable called int result. I'm hoping to generate an integer type of random number R, which is my random object, R dot next int, and within this you have to say your high value minus your low value. In that range it's going to generate a number, and you have to add the low value again here. What happens is it will generate the random number in between the given range, which is 10 and 100. Let's run this project and see what's the result. When you run, first time it is generating 65. I will run once again. Next time 39, next time 94. And you can see that it is not exceeding 100 and it is not going beyond 10 either. That's how you can create random numbers in Java very easily using the random class. Thank you very much and see you in another video.